Kilarigbo Live TV.
Let's be serious now. Are you hearing me? Now I know you have a problem. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Go and sit down.
Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say one applause. Please not acting. Please not comedy time. I'm giving this microphone now to call on this award of recognition to this. Am I acting now? Can you just be real for once? And she know my she like that. And she be ya mistura. Go there. Go there. Hello, go there. So for much number. I'm giving this. No worry. Whenever I give her this microphone, and I believe she will do number. So ladies and gentlemen, she's an international female comedian. She just came back from Canada. And she had the item to present the award of recognition to
Machine. Ẹni tí màá pè báyìí Olúwa mi o èyí pọ̀ o ẹni tí màá pè báyìí ọmọ náà ni tí a bá wo wrestling ọmọ ṣe system tó pápá sí tuntun tó 20 pounds títí àtọ́ pound 20 pounds 30 pounds it's 80 April ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ pàtẹ́wọ́ àbí torí mi ò ti ṣe referee àbí ẹ ṣe mo dúpẹ́ ẹni tí màá pè bàbá náà ni.
Okay.
Empire, please go out together for me. Empire. Ṣé rí àìsàn kan máa ń ṣe bí ẹ̀kan tí ìlú ti sì ní láti ìgbà tí mo ti ṣe náà nẹ́tíwọ́ọ̀kì yìí tí n bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ gangan ọwọ́ mi máa ń lọ mo bá fẹ́ sọ nọ́mọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ọwọ́ mi máa ń lọ.
All right, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting more time, our most reliable spiritual brand goes to Mace. Okay, MX Empire. Come on, please a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Empire is award given to MX. Yeah, MX. What do you? Epatewo. Who's award do you need? Oh, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. DJ. MX Empire. Are you kidding? Come on. Ladies and gentlemen. Hey. MS. Alright, DJ, calm down. Hold up. MS Empire, what would you like to say to people out there? Can we all please a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? MS, won't go up here. What I want to ask you now, I don't want fake promises. When you check this award, check the play, you know what I mean? This is not an award you can just collect and throw it away. This is quality, not quantity. As a brand, as a CEO, what we like to support the CEO of the award. Do you know what? Saying it out or don't say it out is a commitment. Take the courage from tonight. Make it real. Let them know the figure. For you, the fact as a CEO, spiritual brand, make it real. I support Ether brand with 1.5 million. No, not how. I just try to act.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I don't know why. Well, it's a setup. I'll just do one or two things and I'll leave this place. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be doing some things together. So I just want us to please flow together tonight. All right, so I'll be asking a series of questions and I want us to flow together tonight. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, my name is Adeleke Damilare, popularly known as MC Dre Baby, Ice of the Ice Cream Brothers. It's a privilege to be here tonight. All right, so first question, I want you to look at me from head to toe. Please look at me from head to toe. If I were to be a place in Lagos, which place do I look like? Please, I want you to look at me from head to toe. If I were to be a place in Lagos, which place do I look like? I'm here. Please, I need good answers from you, Jerry. My sister. Can you imagine? They're fine. Sir? All right, let's take it further. If I were to be a musician in Nigeria, which musician do I look like? I don't know, sir. I want to feel more quarrel. Raskimono. I never do Raskimono. They want to feel more quarrel. Please let me come to this side. If I were to be a musician, look at me very well. Which musician do I look like? Until the potty boy will be that I never do potty boy to do alone. You know what I'm after me will I ye? And what I'm after you don't land there. And woman that's you can delay. And you never do the shiki. I don't do your law, and shall know me. Timaya. Do I look like Timaya? All right. Let's take it further. If I were to be a network in Nigeria, which network do I look like? And you never go to Salat. You know that I used to tell people that if you want to make it in life, in case they want to send you contracts, you are interacting with a client or a contractor. Don't use anti Salat in your life. Because client here to send the OCA, oh, near that. Wàá máa gbé client yẹn ṣe pé after 3 days aláàánú ẹ̀ lọ nìyẹn. All right, let's take it further. If I were to be a footballer, hello, sir, Taiwo. Ẹ̀yin lè máa jọ táyì. Ẹ fẹ́ rántí orúkọ burúkú àbí? Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí orúkọ bàbá tí ò fà yẹn àbí? Ẹ̀yin lè máa jọ Balotelli. Sir? Ẹ̀yin lè máa jọ Yakubu Ayégbé African person. All right, let's take it further. If I were to be, should I say this one? Because the way Ijaba Lande is looking at me, every day I'm me. All right, I will say it. If I were to be, look at me very well. If I were to be a man of God in Nigeria, which man of God do I look like? You know me? Everyone is that. Jerry, you got to one knowing. You got to one knowing the film way.
Naboski.
Oh, Paul said, I look like liquid metal. Abi? All right. Quickly, if you are proud to be a woman here, can you put your hands together for yourself? Put your hands together. All the women here, I celebrate all the women every time. The reason why I celebrate women is because women are very special. Reason is this. Before I got married, my dad used to tell me that, Damilare, before you get married, you will understand women when you get married. I say it's a lie. Ladies and gentlemen, few months into marriage, màá kọ̀ wá láàrin àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi, màá pariwo yé wọ́n á ní kí ló ṣe mí, màá ní mò ń receive láti ìyàwó mi náwó lọ́wọ́ ni. Women, you women, let me tell you about my family. You see, I'm a boy born and bred in Ibadan. Ibadan, Apata, Ibadan to be precise. You see, in my daddy's wardrobe, that wardrobe is a 4-compartment wardrobe. My mommy took 3.5. Even the half that belongs to my daddy, my mommy's shoes are inside. On a Saturday evening, and they are going for church on Sunday or a party on Sunday, my mommy will now ask my daddy a very devilish question. Daddy Damilare, kí la fẹ́ wọ̀ lọ party online? Bí wardrobe ṣe kún tó. If my daddy should mistakenly answer my mommy that mommy Damilare, there were purple lace there wọ̀ lọ ní last Saturday. My mommy, Yoruba woman, ọlọ́mọ jẹ́, máa wọ purple lace mú ọ lọ́dọ̀ ya kámọ́, wọ́n lọ wá aṣọ kan tí mo ní láyé ní ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ ọlọ́mọ. Women, please women, celebrate yourselves one more time. I'm going somewhere. You see why I celebrate women is because if I am going out with my wife, trust me, if I'm going out with my wife by 7 a.m. next morning, ó kéré tán àrírú ẹ̀rí màá jíyàwó mi ní 1 a.m. And I promise you, by that 7 a.m. kò tí ì múra tán. You know, it's only women. I discovered that it's 2 times no man deliver aṣọ obìnrin.
Kilarigbo Live TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
Atagbantagba lóde tagbangba ló ti pápá tó ní kí ló ní tagbangba ó ṣe.
Àwọn gbàǹkọ́gbì alárinrin ètò ọ̀dọ́ wa ló sodo sí.
Mo lè má lè sọ òyìnbó púpọ̀, but nínú Yorùbá tí mò ń sọ, àwọn kan yọ Yorùbá ń bẹ̀.
Ṣé báwa náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba ni kámú láti Kilarigbo Unlimited.
Kilarigbo Unlimited ládùn ètò tí kò láfiwé.
Alárakúàrà.
Orí ètò Alárakúàrà ní àwàyè lórí Kilarigbo TV.
Mo lo ata, tomatoes, àlùbọ́sà, ẹyin, mo lo carrot, mo dẹ̀ tún fi hot dog náà sí.
Mélòó la fẹ́ kà nínú eyín adépèlé KPK kò gbọ̀kẹ̀. Kilarigbo ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ká ṣe àkálẹ̀ àwọn ayẹyẹ lọ́nà tí ìgbàlódé léyìí tẹ́yìn ó sì gbádùn ẹ̀.
Ọba sọ́yọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ jábẹ́sì padà, ìwọ ni Olúwa wá fàyè mi ṣe yanu.
Kilarigbo Live TV gbọ́n pa ẹ̀. Fún ìpolówó ọjà tàbí àkálẹ̀ èyíkéyìí ayẹyẹ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe ìyún event coverage pẹ̀lú owó tí ò gani lára. Kilarigbo Live TV, ẹ̀rọ amóhùnmáwòrán tíá.